Kia ora whānau too. Welcome to our online learning. Missing you all very much, and I'm looking forward to you all coming back into class. However, this is how your learning is going to operate for the foreseeable future. Every morning I'll get you guys to go onto Google Classroom with your school login, where you'll find a Google Slides presentation. On this presentation, it'll have what you're doing for today. Go on to Wednesday the 15th of April, you'll see a yellow box with important updates. That will be all the important information that you'll need for the day. And then you'll see across to the right there is must-dos. These are the things that you must do during the day. You're required to do one reading task, one writing task, and one math task. Once you've finished your must-dos, you have an option to do a can-do on the next slide. These are optional, and you are able to choose which can-do you'd like to do. Once you've finished each activity, can you please post to Seesaw so I'm able to see your work? This will allow me to comment on your posts, and I'll be able to give you pointers or tips on where to go next. Remember that we're on this online learning journey together, and sometimes we'll face adversity or tough times where we feel stuck, but it's important when we feel these times that we email each other and we communicate and let us know how you're feeling so we're able to help you.